You've learned a number of skills that now help you become a digital missionary using digital content strategy. We want to make sure you understand that you're not alone, and there are helpful tools that can help you as you start seeing success. You might already be thinking, how will I manage my social media? Or, how do I keep track of all the new contacts I need to add to my email list? Good news! We have a collection of tools ready for us. We call it the Growth Stack. What is the Growth Stack? This is our set of marketing tools that help us expand our digital capabilities and reach and maximize our digital ecosystem. Ministry translation, it can help us win, build, and send more people more effectively through our digital efforts. If some of these terms are foreign to you, take a deep breath and relax. As you learn to use them, they'll become like second nature to you. We have 5 categories and 7 tools in the Growth Stack. The tools you choose depend on the complexity of what you're trying to accomplish. Before we share the 5 categories, remember, there's an expert in our ministry for each of these categories, and they're more than happy to guide you to the selection of the best tool for your situation. You're not alone in making the choices. Here are the 5 categories that help make up our Crew Growth Stack. First, email campaign management. Depending on the size of the list of the people you'll need to email, as well as the connection of the list to other parts of the ecosystem, there are some options as to which tool will be most suitable. Second, social media management. As a ministry, we have a license with Hootsuite Enterprise that allows us to track what's happening in our social media platforms. It also helps with social listening, content scheduling, as well as managing multiple social media streams in one place. Analytics. We have a team that can help you with tools in how to track what's happening on your platforms and interpret your findings so that you can make wise corrections or adjustments for future growth. Content management systems, CMS. Deciding where you'll host your content is a big decision. We support 2 content management systems. First, Adobe Experience Manager, and second, WordPress. For both of these CMSs, we have the extra benefit of using a coordinated tagging system, and you have the support of a dedicated team to help you make the best use of the systems. Personalization. We have tools and methods to help with personalization, which is the art of getting tailored content to specific users. Wow, that was a mouthful. Now, you see we have some amazing tools and teams ready to help you grow in your digital work. You don't have to reinvent the wheel or investigate tools and platforms on your own. A team of experts have already done that work for you. All you have to do is reach out on help@crew.org and ask what you need. We bet you'll find your answer, and if not, the team will be happy to help you find the answer. So this is the reminder, you're not alone. Reach out and connect with like-minded friends that are also trying to reach people for Jesus digitally. We're here to help.